Let's not act like a robot. Observe rather than react. Many people are like robots. We act like robots sometimes. But a robot, I guess you press a button and the robot reacts, right? Maybe it's a computer screen now. You touch something and the robot reacts. It's reactive, right? Well, what are we doing? What is a person doing when they say, "He makes me angry"? Can somebody really make us angry? I've never seen anybody open up somebody's scalp and put anger in there and make somebody angry. She makes me guilty. Every time I go and visit her, I always leave feeling guilty. She didn't open up a person's heart and put guilt in there, right? No one can make us feel angry or feel guilty. Again, it's how we respond to what happens. See, that's reactive. That's like a robot. Somebody pushes our buttons and we react. What does that mean? That means we got buttons that are pushable. That's what it means. If somebody can push our buttons, we've got buttons. That means that if they know how to push our buttons, and let's face it, the people we love the most probably are really good at knowing what buttons to push. I know my mom and stepfather, there was a certain word that really they didn't like hearing. I remember them walking out of a movie because that certain word was used over and over in the movie. They left the movie. Well, let me tell you, when my mom and stepfather had a big argument, guess what word came out of her mouth? She knew how to stir up the pot. Yeah. It's not only negative things that people act like robots, but even positive things. If people know, if we're always reacting to the external, that's even with positive stuff, a compliment, and we're on top of the moon, Well, advertisers know all that. They know what buttons to push. They spend billions of dollars every year learning how can you push people's buy button. They use words like free, new, and people run to grab their credit card. It's free, it's new. Let me get one. Pushing buttons. They're over there going, yeah, ka-ching, 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 ka-ching. Let's push the buttons. They know how to make people feel inadequate. Tell them, you need this cologne or this fragrance in order to attract the love of your life. Some of that stuff only attracts mosquitoes. They don't make very good companions. So we don't need to be like robots. We can observe rather than react. That's what I want to encourage us to do. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.